I've made D, E, and F just a little bit bigger for you because they were a bit small. So let's draw a triangle. You've got to be careful with the units here, the scale. So up, 4, 6. Can you see each square on the y-axis represents 2? That's actually 2 units because between 4 and 6 we've got 2. On the x-axis, 2 squares is actually 1. So your gradient here is 2 divided by 1, which is 2. Your y-intercept, where does it cross your y-axis? 4. So your equation would be y equals 2x plus 4. Shadings above the line, so bigger than 2x plus 4. Part E. Ooh, it's sloping downhill, so don't forget we are going to have a negative gradient. Ooh, this is a bit of a difficult one here. Okay, I'm going to choose that point there because I can see it does cross exactly there. Okay, so we've got height of 6 and a base of 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, but it is negative. And my y-intercept is 6. So the equation of the line is y equals negative 3x plus 6. The shading is above the line, so y is bigger than minus 3x plus 6. Yeah. Again, where to draw the triangle? Well, that looks like this is another tricky one because it didn't really go through any full squares. I'm going to say that's 1 there. And that's 3, like on the y-axis. Do you see what I mean? That's 1, and that's 3. So between 1 and 3, we've got 2. So it's got a height of 2 and a base of 0.5. So your gradient is 2 divided by 0.5, which is 4. Your y-intercept is 1. So your equation is y equals 4x plus 1. And it is below the line, so y is less than 4x plus 1. Now, in your exam, you will be expected to find the region described by 3 different inequalities. Let me just show you how to do this in an example. Right, I'm going to start with this line first. I'm going to find the equation. The equation of the line is x is equal to 2. Now, the region is to the right of the line. So if that's 2, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So can you see the region is like on the right of x equals 2? So your first inequality is x is bigger than 2. Here, this line is y equal 4. The region's below. So y is less than 4 is your second inequality. And here, this diagonal line, well, let's find my gradient, 1 and 1. Y-intercept, negative 1. So the equation of this line is y equals x minus 1. The region is shaded, well, the region's above the line, not shaded, but it's above, so y is bigger than x minus 1. So we have 3 questions on this page, 2 on the next page. Find the inequalities to describe the regions. So for this first one, I always start with the easiest one. Y is equal to negative 1 is the equation. The region's above, so y is bigger than minus 1. Here, the equation of this line. Let's get our gradient, 4 and 1. Y-intercept is 0. So the equation of that line is y equals 4x plus 0. The shading is below the line, so y is less than 4x. And this line here, the negative gradient. Height of 2, base of 1. Y-intercept is 6, so the equation is y equals negative 2x plus 6. The region is below the line. So y is less than minus 2x plus 6. Okay, we've got x is equal to 2. Shadings to the left, x is less than 2. We have y is equal to 6. Shadings below the line, so y is less than 6. And this one here, again, a negative gradient. Right, just be careful with the scale. A height of 6, a base of 1. 6 divided by 1, negative 6. Y-intercept is 6. So your equation is y is equal to minus 6x plus 6. The shading is above the line. And this one here, we have y is equal to 8. Shading region is below the line, so y is less than 8. Let's go with this one. The gradient, again, careful of the scale. So here, between 2 and minus 2 is 4, and across 2 boxes is 1. So your gradient is 4 divided by 1, which is 4. Your y-intercept is negative 2. So your equation is y is equal to 4x minus 2. The region is above the line. So y is bigger than 4x minus 2. And this last line here, just change my colour. Gradient, ten and 1. 10 divided by 1 is 10. Your y-intercept is 10. So the equation is y is equal to 10x plus 10. Regions below the line, so y is less than 10x plus 10. And here, this next question, have a go at these two, maybe put me on pause and pause when you're done. So this line, we have y is equal to 4. The regions below, so y is less than 4. X is equal to 1. Shadings to the left, so x is less than 1. Right, we have 2 diagonal lines now. So here, our gradient. 2, 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Our y-intercept, 5. Equation, y equals 2x plus 5. Shading is underneath, so y is less than 2x plus 5. And we have this line here. Hit my gradient, negative, sloping downhill, 1, 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1, so my gradient is negative 1. My y-intercept is 2. So the equation of the line is y equals minus x plus 2. The shading is above the line, so y is bigger than minus x plus 2. And our last question. Start with this one. Bit of an awkward one, but there we go. That's 2. That's 0.5, because looking at the scale, look, 2 boxes is 1. So half a box is a half. 2 divided by 0.5 is 4. Y-intercept is 2.5. Equation is y equals 4x plus 2.5. Shading region is below. Go with this one next. Gradient is positive. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Y-intercept is 2. Equation is y equals x plus 2. Region is above, so y is bigger than x plus 2. And our last one, our gradient is negative, sloping downhill. I'm going to go all the way across there. It's got 1 between 4 and 5, then we've got between 0 and 2 is 2. So 1 divided by 2 is a half. So the gradient is minus a half. Y-intercept is 5. The region is, oh, hang on, let's just write the equation. So minus half x plus 5. Region is below, so y is less than minus half x plus 5.